Of course you can learn Bavarian dance, right here and right now. I would like to invite you to dance with me. I'm Katharina Mayer. I'm a Bavarian folk dancer and one of Bavarian's ambassadors. You just need fun and curiosity. It's mostly couple dances, but you can do it in large groups too. The basic step is like this, and forth and back. The next step is the triple step. 4, 2, 3 and back, 2, 3. You are good to go to try some figure dances. For example, the Borisha. It's like triple step and then the rocking steps and weak. So have fun and keep on rocking.